Hey everyone, in today's video we learn how you should include attribution for music which are downloaded from YouTube audio library which is under Creative Commons license. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now you can already check this video. There are two types of music which are available in the YouTube audio library, which is under Creative Commons license or standard license. Now the Creative Commons attribution requires you to mention the attribution in the video description, right? So how do you go about this? So first things first, you can just go to the audio library in your YouTube studio. I already created a video. What is audio library? What are the free sound effects? What is music? Which you can use in your YouTube video. Once you go to this, you can just click on filter and see attribution not required, attribution required. So when you click on attribution not required, you can see the license type over here. And if you just hover around it, you can see this is under YouTube audio library license, means you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. Now, simply if I go to another one, attribution required, you can see the license type is Creative Commons Attribution 4.0. That means you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. However, you must include attribution information in your video description. Right? This will be somewhat like this. The attribution which will for your music track will appear like this, and you simply have to copy this and include in your audio video description. So if you just go to any of this audio track, right, and once you click on download, you will get the attribution which you have to include in your video description. So you just have to simply copy, close it, and whichever video you are uploading in which you are using it, you simply have to go, and you can, most of the creators add it at the bottom. You can add a title for it like music credits, and simply control V, right? Nothing else. So and just click on save. So this is the way you can include attribution. There is nothing like you have to do separately, but you have to ensure that whichever track you are using it for, you copy the attribution and you include it in your video description. I hope this is clear. Do drop in the comments if you have any queries, and do subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.